Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here again with a very traditional makeup look, and today's look is a Saraswati Puja special makeup look. I have been getting requests from my friend Koel to create a look for Saraswati Puja, and this is what I came up with. You can totally wear this look to any party, any wedding. It will look just perfect. And for today's look I have created this warm toned hello cut crease eye look and paired it with a dark plum red lipstick. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this E.L.F. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Cool Brown, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I recently shared with you my eyebrow routine. I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. And I recently got this eyebrow pencil and it has quickly become my favorite. I prefer this eyebrow pencil more than my NYX Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and E.L.F. is now available on Nykaa. I'm so happy. If you want to grab this eye pencil, just do. This stuff is really good. It also has a spoolie on the other side, which is perfect for traveling, and with the same spoolie I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Soft Beige, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. The brush that I'm using is from Pune store. This is their lip brush, and if you are a beginner and if you want to skip this step, you totally can. But for me personally, whenever I'm doing a full glam party look, I always tend to follow this step because it makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. Again, it is one of my favorite sponges out there, and if you want to grab it, just do. This sponge is so good. Now I'm taking my E.L.F. Hello Glow setting powder in the shade medium, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease, and the brush is again from E.L.F. For my eyes, first I'm taking burnt orange from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is their Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration brush, and yeah, I'm just applying it as my transition color. Now I'm taking red ochre from the same palette and I'm applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting them through my crease. The brush that I'm using is again from Morphe X Jeffree Star collaboration, and this is a JS15 brush, and I'm just slowly building it up so that it does not become patchy. And this is such a stunning warm toned brown color, and you can find this type of colors in any of your eyeshadow palettes. The Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette is a perfect dupe for this Modern Renaissance palette from Beige. So if you do not have this particular palette, you can totally use the Wet n Wild palette to create the same look. I'm just softening up everything so that everything looks seamless. Now I'm taking Love Letter. It's a dark berry pink shade, and with the same brush I'm just repeating the previous step here. That means I'm applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting them through my crease. On Saraswati Puja, we generally tend to wear red and yellow sari, red and white sari, pink and white sari. So to complement those saris or those traditional outfits, I think a little bit of pink or red on the eye is must. Now just blending it out one last time to have that nice gradient effect. Now taking the same concealer, I'm just cutting my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I am just placing the concealer a little bit higher. If you are a beginner and if you do not want to cut your crease, it's totally fine. You can directly go with the lid shade. It's just totally fine. But if you want to amp up the look a bit, just follow this step. Now I'm taking Primavera. It's a shimmery champagne gold color, and with a flat shader brush, again from Morphe, I'm just applying it right on the middle part of my eyelid. Taking the berry pink shade, I'm just blending out the edges to have that smooth transition from the lighter shade to a darker shade. With my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade black, I'm just drawing a wing here. I believe any Bengali look or any Indian traditional look is incomplete without a wing. So whenever I'm doing a traditional look, a wing is must for me. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. And for that, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago and applied a lip balm. If you plan to wear this look during daytime, make sure to wear an SPF underneath your primer. But I'm not going out, so I'm not applying any SPF. Don't forget your neck as well, and do not skip a primer. If you want your makeup to last longer, always use a primer. Now for color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles, and then I'm just blending it out using my finger. If you do not have hyperpigmentation or dark circle or acne spot, then you can totally skip this step. But if you have those issues, then make sure to use an orange color corrector. This one is my absolute favorite. For my foundation, I'm going with this Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 475, and I'm just buffing it in using this E.L.F foundation blending brush. I know the foundation is looking a little lighter than my skin tone, but trust me, this foundation does oxidize, and when it does, it matches me perfectly. And recently I have been to a beach holiday, so I am a bit tanned, so none of my foundations are matching me. They all are a little lighter than my skin tone, so please bear with me. And there is nothing that a bronzer can't fix. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, around my mouth, on my chin, cupid bow, around the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And I'm just blending it out again using the same Wet n Wild sponge. This concealer is again my one of favorite concealers, and it covers up anything and everything for me. It does not crease, it lasts all day long. If you have really dry under eyes, then you should use a hydrating eye cream underneath your eyes. Recently I shared with you my favorite makeup from 2020 and I featured this concealer. You can totally go ahead and check that video out. In that video, I have shared with you all my favorite products from the drugstore as well as from high-end. I will mention those two videos in the description bar down below or on the I button, so make sure to check that out. Now I'm taking the same E.L.F Hello Glow setting powder and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. This particular powder is again my one of favorites. It just sets your makeup and it provides a very nice healthy glow. It's not a highlighter, but it does provide a very natural glow, which I absolutely love. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Maybelline SuperStay Powder Foundation in the shade 312 Golden and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. No matter what, if I do not set my makeup, it just does not become long lasting. do not forget to drink water. So I'm just taking a water break here. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightening my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. Now I'm mixing these two shades together and smudging out my entire lower lash line. I'm keeping my lower lash line pretty simple. It's just these two shades and it's done. And I'm trying to make my lower lash line as smoky as possible. This way my eyes will look bigger and wider. Just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with these Profusion lashes in the style Big T's. These are very natural looking lashes. It just amps up the look. If you are not into falsies, you can totally skip falsies. In that case, apply a lot of mascara on your lashes and you will be good to go. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my E.L.F. Cosmetics Metallic Flare Highlighter, which I'll be using for my face later on. And here is the final eye look. I truly love the way how the entire look came together. You can wear this look during daytime, during nighttime as well. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Chocolate, and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using this angled brush from Real Techniques. This particular shade has a grayish undertone to it, and it's matte, and it's perfect for contouring, and it's perfect for my skin tone. You can see it's creating a very natural shadow and it lasts all day long. For my bronzer, I am going with this Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunset Bronze, and I'm just bronzing up my face to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. For my blush, I'm going with this Palladio blush in the shade Apricot Toast or Toasted Apricot, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose. The brush that I'm using is from Flower Beauty. For my highlighter, I'm going with this E.L.F. Metallic Flare Highlighter in the shade White Gold, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this Real Techniques blending brush. I have been raving about this particular highlighter since day one. I love it. If you want to grab this highlighter, make sure to scrape off the top layer with a spoolie, and then you will have the prettiest highlighter ever. You can see it's gorgeous. To set my entire makeup, I am taking this L.A.Girl setting spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my Essence lip liner in the shade I Am Shooketh. It's such a stunning red lip liner. And for my lips, I'm going with my Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Plum This Show. This is such a stunning plum berry red shade and it's suitable for all skin tone. It lasts all day long. It's very comfortable on the lips. It does not dry out your lips at all, and the shade is just stunning. That is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I got my jewelry on, my sari on, a little red bindi, and I love the way how the entire look came together. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and please help my channel to grow even more. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below as well, so please go ahead and check that out. For your convenience, I'm mentioning all the products, their shades, their purchase link in the description bar down below, so please do not forget to check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.